Can you please say present when I mention your name? Okay, Ann? Present. Present. Lorraine? Present, ma'am. Victoria? Debbie? Shayami? Racheli? Marilu? Jeanette?
I-upload kita sa YouTube.
Now, the bahay kubo is rich with vegetable, food and vegetable. Can you please mention some vegetables in bahay kubo, Debbie?
Ito sa may...
Kamatis, saka, patola,
Lika.
Patani.
Patani!
Did you know that this vegetable is very useful to our body?
Yes!
Yes. And now our lesson for today is all about food. We need to identify the three basic food, and we need also to classify
This is
it
food.
according to the food.
Noodle. Ang chicharon.
And now, can I ask question? What is your breakfast in the morning? Cafe. Stand up. Cafe. Coffee, biscuit, hotdog, egg,
Cow! Elephant!
Okay, and good. And now, did you know what are the three basic food that our body needs? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Victoria, what are the three basic food? Go.
Di ba dapat hindi alam magandang
Okay.
i-click?
The three basic food are
Nagkili ka talagang sure elementary.
kaya maximize, computerize.
Hi, say hi. 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 Flying kid. Sila, mga nganak na siya. Mga nganak na. Sige na. That's it.
Victoria says that our three basic food is the raw and the raw food.
What?
The three basic food is in Tagalog is pangunahing
Pagkain!
Yes, very good. Pangalawang pagkain. Okay, and this is the raw and the raw food. What is raw in Tagalog?
Abante! Abante! Abante!
The raw food is pagkain, pampalasa. And then the raw food is pagkain, pampatangkay.
Papalaki! Ay, lusog!
And the raw food is pampataba.
Pampakina! Pampa-beauty!
Okay, can you think of Florence? What is the raw and raw food in Tagalog? Pampalasan, pampatog, pampatwifery. Okay, what? Hello. Parang kalaloka. Okay, we classify food according to the three basic food. The raw food is the egg, sino, hotdog, soy, silog,
Wow!
breakfast, bread is to bread. The raw food is
talong.
What is talong in English?
Eggplant. Mais. Corn.
Corn.
Okra.
Okra. Sibuyas.
Bread. Pagtibay.
Now, the food that mentioned Joycelyn a while ago, can you please state the raw food? Raw food. Raw food. Oh, yes. Avocado. Avocado. That is belong to the raw food. And now,
Six.
dapat meron dyan yung card.
Check ka naman madali.
Okay, please take the raw food ready. Take the raw food. What is this? Meat. Chicken. Pig. Crab.
Merak.
Beef.
Barbecue. Balot.
Egg. Now, can you please give
Sino mag- Picture mo? Pwede. Nalang.
Yung sinabi ni Joycelyn kanina, nakita
Ma'am. Chicken. Beef. Fish. Crab. Egg.
upload ko na naman yan.
Sa YouTube. Di ba dapat installer na i-upload mo natin?
Okay.
Ma'am!
Can you please take all the food here in the block? Ay, eto, kalabasa. Papaya.
Nagungate.
Si Matea.
Piche! Baso ba?
Patatas.
Patatas?
Apple. Okay. Do you know this children that food belong in a block food is or on food and vegetable. Now, what block food contains? Do you know what block food contains?
No, ma'am, because you didn't start us yet. Ma'am? Go food?
Yes. Carbohydrates, ma'am.
Ang galing naman na grade 3 nun.
Carbohydrates, ma'am. Opo lang po.
Polysaccharide.
Carbohydrates, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you rich in go food?